Hi guys, I'm Haspa with WTI and I have trouble falling asleep every night, and that's why I needed something to make me feel relaxed by the time I was getting ready to sleep. And sleep spray right here has helped me a lot. This is the Dr. Teal sleep spray. This is an essential oil blend and it basically promotes a better night's sleep. And this is what it has done for me. So what I do is I spray it on my pillows or anywhere in my room, my sheets, even my sofa whenever I am going to take a nap, and the smell is so pleasant and it makes me feel like I'm in a spa or that I am just away from work and all the responsibilities that I have. So if you guys are looking to find a way to help you sleep better or make you feel more relaxed at night before you go to bed, I recommend trying this one out, and that's my point of view.